The topic of today's video is how to fix RCS chat's not working issue on Android. So the first thing that we want to do here is we want to click or long press on our messaging app and click on the app info button. Inside here, we want to click on force stop on the top here. And we also want to go to our storage usage. And inside here, we want to clear the cache, clear the data. Simply because we can't just uninstall Messages app. Unless you can, then go for it. And then what we're going to do is we are going to restart our device, go into the messaging app and see if that fixes everything up. If not, you may have to contact your actual carrier, as some carriers don't actually enable the RCS chats feature off of the bat, or they may not support it at all. I know that this is not exactly the info you were hoping for, but it is the only info there is out there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.